Welcome to e-learning classes of Seth Chotilal Academy, RAT. Class 6, Subject Science, Chapter 4, Chapter name is Sorting Materials into Groups. Now we are going to start new topic. Topic name is Properties of Material. So we will discuss about properties of materials today. Now new heading is properties. What is properties? Every material has some special features called its properties. There are different types of objects have different types of properties. On the basis of properties, we can divide these objects into different groups. Now next heading is classification. What is classification? The method of grouping objects on the basis of certain similarities and dissimilarities is called classification. There are various properties such as appearance, hardness, conductivity, solubility, flotation, and transparency which help us to arrange objects into different groups. Now, first property is appearance. Appearance is the main features of materials. So we can divide different objects into different groups on the basis of appearance. Luster and smoothness, two characteristics of appearance present in different materials. Now next heading is luster. Surfaces of some materials have shiny and some materials have dull surface. This sign of the materials is called luster. Your exercise book has no luster and appears dull when compared to a kettle made of metal. There are different types of metals have shiny surface. So they are the example of luster. Example: gold, silver, aluminium, brass, iron, etc. Smoothness is the second characteristics of appearance. There are different types of objects have smoothness. Like as if we move our hand over the surface of a clean window pane, we feel smoothness because surface of window pane is smooth. Same that type, petals of flower is smooth in nature. So petals of flower is the example of smoothness.